How to send mass email on Hubspot. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to send mass email using Hubspot. So let's get into it. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up hubspot.com and you will land right here. So on Hubspot, we can create our own email marketing campaigns and we can send mass email to literally thousands of people at one time. So how to do that? So for that, what you need to do is you can either go to settings or you can create a new email marketing campaign. So we kind of like get the option of sending email and adding an email list. So you can select that and add thousands of email on HubSpot. HubSpot supports that and we can actually send mass email. Or you can go to the settings, and in settings we can actually customize and create a pre-default setting to send mass email. So simply go to settings and then you can go to email. In email, if I scroll down, you will be able to find the integration option. So what we can do is we can also add email integrations here, or we can create an email marketing campaign. And after that, what we need to do is we will just simply select thousands of email address. You can upload your contacts to the HubSpot and then you can just go to email. And from here, we can send mass email. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.